Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Career Chats with Arcade. So in this video we are going to see top 15 shortcuts in Tableau Desktop that we use to optimize our Tableau hands-on performance. So let's start without wasting any time. So our first shortcut is connect to data source. So no need to go on to the data and click on the data and again choose the another new data source likewise. So you can do with the help of Control plus D, you can directly open the data source window, and from here whatever data you want to select you can select easily from this data source. Whatever file you have like Excel, text, or whatever server files, if you want to connect you can connect from here. Then our next I will show you again. So our next shortcut is, suppose I have taken category and sum of cells, category in rows and sum of cells in the column. Now I have make it as entire view, and now you can see the furniture, office supplies and technology names are below of the bars, but I want these names in the top of the bars. By default the name shows in the below side of the bars, but I don't want these names here. I want these names top of the bars. So you can do one thing, go to the analysis, table layout, advanced option, and then from here uncheck the show innermost level at bottom of the view when there is the vertical axis. Uncheck this option and click on OK button. So as you can see, your category names are top of the bars. So this is our third uh, shortcut, second shortcut. Now we will move to our third shortcut, that is Control plus W. So now I have taken suppose category in the column and cells in the rows, and now I want to swap columns in the rows and sorry, category into the rows and sum of cells into the column. So with the help of this option we will do it, but there is the one another option, that is Control plus W. With the help of this option as well you can swap the column and rows values. Okay, so next move to the our next shortcuts, that is Alt plus Shift plus C and Alt plus Shift plus R. So basically every time what we do, we manually drag this field into the column and then we drag this field into the rows. So no need to do these things. You can do the same thing with the help of shortcut key. Just press whatever field you want to take into the column and press Alt Shift plus C. So with the help of Alt Shift plus C, you can place selected value on the column. And then next, suppose I want to place one measure into the rows as well. So select measure and press same Alt Shift, just lastly press R. So with the help of this option, your value will be placed onto the rows shelf. So these are the our main shortcuts in the Tableau desktop. Then we have next our shortcut, that is Control plus E. So suppose I will take subcategory wise sales. Okay, so now I want to show description of this sheet, like all the description of this sheet. So how can I do? So you can do a manually, like go on to the sheet and here is the option, that is summary. So show summary or likewise, but I want all description of this sheet. So with the help of Control plus E option, you can directly show the all the description of this sheet. And if you want to copy this description, you can copy this as well and use it on the anywhere on the workbook or any other document. So you can use with the help of this copy button, you can copy this sheet description as well. So this is the our one of the main Tableau shortcut. Then we will move to the our next uh, shortcut key, that is Alt plus Shift plus F. So every time what we do actually, if I want to take this category into filter, I will press Control and take this category into the filter. But no need to do these things. Just select the field that you want to take into the filter and press Alt plus Shift plus F, and all I want to take all categories and press OK. You can directly take your category onto the filter shelf with the help of Alt plus Shift plus F. So this is the our next. So now these are the our most useful shortcuts in the Tableau desktop as well. So I will take manufacture and I will take suppose profit. So now I want to show this into the presentation mode. I want to show this visualization into the presentation mode. So basically what we do, we will click on this presentation mode logo and show the presentation mode. And likewise we will do these things. But with the help of Control plus H, you can directly go on to the presentation mode, and with the help of this escape button, you can directly escape from the presentation mode. So these are the two main shortcuts in the Tableau desktop. Then we will move to the our next shortcut, that is like flip labels. Okay, so suppose I will take category and sales. Okay, so now as you can see, furniture, office supplies and technology, these labels are vertically mannered are here. Like as you can see, these labels are vertical here, but I want these labels horizontally. Likewise, standard horizontally I want to see these labels. So you can just do one thing, press Ctrl plus L button, and as you can see, your category names are horizontally placed. Okay, so if you want to flip labels, you can use Ctrl plus L. Then our next shortcut keys are Ctrl plus N to open new workbook, Control plus O to open, I will show you, Control plus N. So with the help of Control plus N, you can open the new workbook. No need to go on to the file and select new workbook. Just press Control plus N and it will show your opens your new workbook. And if you want to open any local workbook from the your local PC, so press Control plus O and you can open your local workbook as well. And if you want to save this workbook, just press Ctrl plus S and you can save your workbook on the local PC. Then our next shortcut is Alt plus Shift plus P. So suppose I want to take this category, or I want to take this order date into the page shelf. So just click on the order date, select the order date and press Alt plus Shift plus P. And as you can see, your order date are placed into the page shelf. So page shelf divide your view into the various pages. Okay, so these are the option of Alt plus Shift plus P. You can place your field into the page shelf. Then our next uh, uh, shortcut is Alt plus Shift plus S. So suppose I want to take this segment into the detail. So no need to drag and drop into the detail. Just click on the segment, press Alt plus Shift plus S, and with the help of this option you can place your field into the detail. Okay, so these are the one option. If you want to place your field in detail, use Alt plus Shift plus S. Then our next shortcut is Alt plus Shift plus T. Suppose I want to take this subcategory values text wise from here. Okay, so just select the field, press Alt plus Shift plus T, and as you can see, it will show your values like text chart. Okay, or word chart, what we can say word chart as well. So it will show your all values, or it will shows your all values like text or table. So this is the also main important shortcut in Tableau. Then this, I think everyone knows these three shortcut, that is Control plus C equal to copy, uh, then Control plus V equal to paste, and Control plus X equal to cut. So everyone knows these three shortcuts, no need to explain this. Then our last shortcut, that is Control plus Y, that is redo, and Control plus X, sorry, Control plus Z, that is undo. So suppose I have taken these two fields and I want to remove this means I want to undo this visualization. Just press Ctrl Z. You can undo your visualization. And if I want to redo my visualization, just press Ctrl plus Y and you can redo your visualizations. So these are the main important shortcuts in Tableau Desktop that we will use in our daily life. So I hope you like this video. That's it for this video. Thank you guys.